regarding Docker and how we can set up a MySQL database and a client application to access the database inside the Docker. So Docker is an important thing in software development. So it is used to develop images which can run on multiple platforms. So basically it allows interoperability across the platform. So for today's demo we need a Docker desktop. So you can install the Docker desktop, and we are going to use two images. So basically we need a MySQL, and client we are going to use PhpMyAdmin. So first I will show how we can run the image pulling command. So for that one we have to use docker pull, and we have to use MySQL latest. So latest will be the tag used to get the latest image. So after executing, as I have already have a local copy of this image, it's running quickly. So for the first time it will take some time. After that I need the image of PhpMyAdmin. For that one I will use PhpMyAdmin, and PhpMyAdmin also I have to use the latest. Okay, once you have completed pulling the images, you can go to the Docker desktop and you can go to the images and check whether they are available. So first we have to run the MySQL. So for running the MySQL we have to provide a container name. So this is basically the running instance name, and for host MySQL port we can give 3306, which is the default port, and we have to provide an environment variable called MySQL root underscore root password. So this is used to log in as a root user. So I am giving 1234 now, and I am running that. So after you started the container, you can access it from the terminal. So for that one you can use MySQL -h, and you can give 127.0.0.1, which is the local IP, and you can give port as 3306 and user as root, and you have to provide the password. So you can provide 123. So here you have a error because for accessing as a root user you have to use -u in small case 3. So now you have access the MySQL. You can check it by showing show databases command. So you have access the MySQL now. So now we have to connect to the PhpMyAdmin client. For that one I need to configure this PhpMyAdmin container. So PhpMyAdmin, I am using a PhpMyAdmin container. So you can use 8080 in the host port. You can use any other available ports, and for this environment variable we need the IP addresses of the running containers, or you can use the container names, but in some cases it will fail. So I will get the IP address of the MySQL container. So you can use docker inspect command that will return this as output, docker inspect, and you have to give the container name MySQL container. So that will return the IP address. So here I have the IP addresses. So I'm going to use this IP address. I copied it. So then you have to create a variable called PhpMyAdmin host, and you can give the IP address, and you need a port also. So you have to give PhpMyAdmin port, and you can give 3306. Now if you run it, it will start the PhpMyAdmin client. So once it's started, you can access it in the web. So now you can log in with your root credentials. Now you can see you have accessed the PhpMyAdmin. You have used PhpMyAdmin and access the MySQL database. So you can create new databases. Let's say you want to create a demo database. From here you can create it, and you can try out various things. So you can create tables, and you can perform many actions on this one. So that we will cover on the next part of the video. Thank you.